Alright, we're going to do a little sit on the dog with Miss Rosie here. Reggie, down. Just trying to get a good angle because I'm going to want to be in the shade right there. Alright, that should be good. I'm just measuring it behind the stick. So sit on the dog. You'll find in your blog the directions. It's basically a chilling out exercise for a dog or puppy or a nervous dog perhaps that's timid of other dogs. It's a good way for them to take in who's around them without any risk associated to them as far as being able to get anyone. Reggie, leave her. Leave her, Reggie. If we don't want them to, and so on and so forth. Oh boy, just have to make sure my tripod legs are here. So I'm going to move my chair into the shade and do that with her. Reggie, go. Reggie, go. Go. Up. Up, up. Reggie, come on. Up. Reggie's not allowed to sit near me because he gets jealous. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Rosie. I had you on the wrong side anyways. I'm just going to bring her in. She's on my left side. I'm going to pull the leash tight so she just has enough room to lie down. Then I start timing her until she goes down on her own. This isn't the down command. Louie, give her some space. Louie. Yeah, okay. Reggie, down. Boy. Is that your new girlfriend? This is Louie. Louie's a pretty nice guy. Every now and then he gets bossy with puppies, but he's pretty good. He's Reggie's boss, for example. Oh, oops. Did you have to poop? She had to poop. She just pooped under my chair. So we're just going to pick that up. We will pause to sit on the dog for a moment. Rosie. All right, we're going to do a take two.